Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. This video, I'm going to express my personal findings and personal views on the proposed Paytm IPO. So, media channels and print medias are exposing that Paytm is on the way with the mega IPO. Is it a mega IPO? Is it a reliable IPO? Let us see how the Paytm is operating. Paytm is nothing but initially Paytm is nothing but a recharge company for mobile using for mobile recharge online. Most of the time, most of the people are using prepaid mobiles during the time 2009 2010 onwards. In that period, Paytm was operating as a mobile recharge company. So later on, Paytm slowly growing. It becomes as a Paytm wallet, and then it becomes as a Paytm small finance bank also. And now the Paytm is announcing that they are going to come with a massive mega IPO. With respect to the findings, the Paytm, the company itself is backed by few foreign promoters. Like one is SoftBank. SoftBank is having 18.73 percentage of stake in Paytm, and Saif3 Mauritius is another company is having a 12.39 percentage of stake in Paytm, and another company is Saif Partners India. They have 5.26 percentage of stake in Paytm, and another one is Ant Group. They have 30% of stake in Paytm. So we can consider the Paytm is not an full-fledged Indian company. It is a foreign company. And recently, the announcement of IPO, the proposed IPO, I'm wondering that Paytm IPO shares are being traded in grey market. Do you believe the IPO date is not yet announced? The IPO prospectus is not framed. This IPO is not submitted to SEBI. SEBI is not given permission to launch IPO for Paytm. But whereas the IPO shares are considered as shares in the grey market. So people are considering the IPO, the one lot of IPO shares will be around 12,000 rupees. But this 12,000 rupees is just doubled on the day the announcement was made. So 12,000 rupees was trading at 24,000 rupees. Even now, the people are ready to offer 30,000 rupees or more to buy shares. There are no shares at all. 30,000 rupees they pay. They are willing to pay 30,000 rupees to buy unknown shares in grey market. So in this juncture, it is wise to go for Paytm IPO when the IPO is will be announced. So there are two ways. One is apply for Paytm IPO because it is not seems to be a full-fledged ethical company. So lot of hidden news are there, lot of gossips are there, lot of unwanted news are there. So if you are a speculative or opportunistic investor or opportunistic trader, there are two ways. One is applying for Paytm IPO when it is available and sell off the shares you got on the listing day itself and safely come out of Paytm. And another way, don't apply for Paytm IPO. Wait for the opportunity. Only on the listing date, you closely watch the price movement of Paytm. When it reaches to a saturation point, do short sell and cover your price at a lower point, make profit and come out of Paytm. This is another way. And another way, closely watch the levels of Paytm, do swing trading with Paytm. So because this kind of stocks will have a greater swing, this may go back and forth. So you can make consistent money over a period of 1 to 3 months in equity segment. So this is about Paytm. Even though Paytm has more and more negative news, it is an opportunity for us to make money from Paytm shares. Thank you very much. I am Vijay. And before concluding this video, I would like to express few points about Superfans. Superfans is nothing but it is a trading tips platform which operates in a private broadcast group in which we give penny level option trading tips. Penny level option trading tips is nothing but there are stocks we find with the premium of 10 paise to 10 paise, 20, 30, 40 paise to up to 90 paise. Such kind of penny level option trading tips in stock option with entry as well as target will be given. And along with this, there are low priced option trading tips. Low priced option trading tips is nothing but what I mean to say that to take one lot of option, working capital of say about 500 rupees or 1000 rupees, sometimes 1500 rupees, such a low priced option trading tips will also be given. So, along with this, there are a few stocks available which will be given then and there in equity segment. These stocks are referred as penny stocks in equity for long-term wealth making. The price ranging from 5 paise to 20 rupees in equity segment. So you can buy these stocks, stay invested for few years, make a great fortune for you and your wards. The subscription for joining Superfans WhatsApp group is 7,999 per month, 7,999 per month. Disclaimer apply. So this is a great opportunity. At the end of video, you just watch the slides. In the slides, we gave the past performance, recent past performance. So we have very great performance. Few stocks like REC Limited, Tata Power, and few other stocks also we made very massive, fabulous results or profits, whatever you think. So it is an opportunity. Join Superfans as early as possible. Make yourself consistent profit in option trading. Thank you very much. I'm Vijay.